You know that if you are healthy, then your family is healthy. And if your family is healthy, your society is healthy. And if society is healthy, the nation is healthy. Health is of four types: physical health, mental health, family health, and social health. Parameters for healthy life is perfect body weight, no mental stress, healthy diet, good sleep, happy morning, blissful attitude for everyone, no addiction, and no disease in body, no regret for self activity. Now, what are the needs of the adolescent? It is the correct information on health, reproduction, nutrition, growth and development, sexuality, HIV and AIDS, STD and STI, the adequate diet, the healthy lifestyle, education and health, safe and supportive environment and counseling. What influences the health of adolescent? Number one is the gender. Number two is the parent family relationship and literacy. Number three is poverty. Number four is education. Number five is diet. Number six is eating behavior and physical activity. Number seven is environment. And number eight is drug abuse. What are the changes in adolescent girls? At the time of puberty, menarche occurs. That is the initiation of menses. During this period, girls suffer from painful menstrual period and excessive menstruation. Menstruation is not a burden but a boon. It's time to do away the menstrual taboos. It's time to care the menstrual hygiene. Hygiene during menstruation is important for your overall health. It prevents you from occurring infections which may lead to itching, burning, unpleasant smells, and other problems like social and decrease in your activities. During menses, take bath regularly, wear loose undergarments, preferably cotton garments, remove wet, sweaty undergarments as soon as possible. Keep private part dry. Wash your private part with perennial wash and change tampon or napkins quite frequently. Avoid sexual intercourse during menstruation. Take plenty of sleep every night. Exercise at least 30 minutes. Have balanced diet. Limit your fat, salt, and sugar intake. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. And ask your doctor about your nutritional supplements. Diet rich in vitamins and minerals should be taken, like vegetables, then legumes, dry fruits, dal, and fruits and vegetables. Nutritional supplements can be taken in form of tablets, injections, and syrup. Now I will tell you problems of adolescents. Health problems like growth and developmental problems of height and weight, menstrual diseases like AUB and amenorrhea, skin problems like acne, skin color, hirsutism, mental health problems like depression, anxiety, personality disorder, and suicide tendencies, infectious diseases, eating disorders like anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, binge eating, educational problems like fear, family relationship issues, influence of Western culture, controversial ideals, peer pressure, self esteem, body image, mental health, communication gap, diet, and exercise. Top killers of adolescents in India are suicide, drowning, vehicle accident, anemia, tuberculosis, burns, and cancer. In anemia, body does not contain much RBCs, which contains hemoglobin. The symptoms of anemia are headache, feeling weak or tired, problems in concentration, brittle nails, pale skin color, sore tongue, shortness of breath. In anemia, it is more prone to illness and infections, delivery before times and low birth weight babies, delay in growth and development, diseases of heart and lung. 30% adolescent girls have polycystic ovarian disease, in which there are long menstrual cycles, less menstrual bleeding, acne, abnormal hair growth, excessive hair growth, baldness, infertility, and chances of diabetes in later life. There may be history of family polycystic ovarian disease, and it can be prevented by healthy lifestyle. The treatment is lifestyle management and medicines. So take home message for you adolescents: health is wealth. Health is physical, mental, family and social. You should be sound on each level. Parents, teachers and doctors can help you in all issues of your health. Avoid yourself from top killers of adolescent: drug abuse, road accidents, suicide, drowning, and diseases. Nutrition, exercise are very important parameter of health. You should get vaccinated for human papilloma virus to prevent it disease, cancer, cervix in future. So, dear friends, go forth and live your dreams. Life is not cruel as it seems. Yes, sometime it will be tough, will feel as if you have not had enough. Stride ahead, shun your fears. For you, we are always here.